I want to talk a little bit about the buyer psychology and how important it is to understand why a customer buys your product over somebody else's, and how important reviews are in terms of selling on Amazon. The second thing I want to cover is a new software that I'm in the process of switching over from JumpSend, and then I want to give you guys a bonus tip on how to get reviews quite easily and quite effectively by just doing one simple thing. It's a revolution. Buyer psychology, right? So in my opinion, when somebody comes to my Amazon listing or my product page, right, or your product page, what is the first thing that I think they do? Number one thing I think they do is they go to the images, right? And that's why I always tell all of the people that ask me questions how to get pictures done, how good should they be, how much should I spend on them. I always tell them make sure you get the absolute best pictures. The pictures alone should sell the product without even having bullet points or product descriptions, all right? Now that's the first thing people look at generally, in my opinion. The second thing people look at is the reviews. According to some article, 89% of customers on Amazon go to the reviews section, right? So 89% of people go to the reviews. Why would that be? Maybe they want to see if the product has the quality of, the product they're looking at, right? Maybe it handles the same they want it to, have it, right? Maybe it looks the same way, all that kind of important stuff, right? So that's why people go down to the review section to see the reviews, make sure the quality's there, maybe it handles the same way they want it to, it's got to smell the way they want it to, right? And just the overall quality of the product, right? So that's why people go and get reviews. Now, I want to talk a little about this new software that I'm using. So this new software is called FeedbackWhiz, right? And I want to share you guys in my computer here the overlying things that this software does, and then go into my account and show you guys exactly how I'm able to go out there and use it. Now, I haven't really sent out any campaigns for it yet. I'm still in the works of testing it. I'm building out my campaigns, my templates, testing certain things. So there's a lot of things that I have to go over in here, and then I'm gonna give you guys that bonus tip in the end. So let's get into my computer here and show you guys exactly what the software has to offer. So it's a cheaper software than JumpSend. It does order management, feedback, analytics, product reviews, email automation, and it's time saving, all right? On the right hand side here, you can see there's a sign up button and a free trial. There's also a link down below for you guys. Quickly, you can access that to go to the website and get your free trial. But if you go over here, let's go into my account. So we're gonna go back to the feedback here. We're under the dashboard here in the account. Now, some of this will be blurred, but we can see here is the orders, all right? Orders, sales, product reviews, and feedback, all right? And you can see order today, past week, past month, past year, and year to date, all right? Now, that's all really cool. You can see everything. You can see if you have 2 beauty products, which one sold more, which one sold how many each day, all that kind of good stuff, and it's pretty up to date compared to Amazon Seller Central account, all right? The next thing it does is it has orders, all right? And I will get to the review section here in a bit, and it's absolutely powerful what it does. Now, in the review or in the order section, you can see all of my orders, all right? Now, what's really cool about this, if you scroll down, it shows here, Kara Rhodes, Chu-Chan. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. If you're watching my videos, I don't think you would be, but if you are, you probably know my products. But anyways, Kara, whatever, is a repeat buyer. There's a little R next to it. So every product I have that has an R next to it, or every product or every order I have that has an R next to it, is a repeat buyer, right? Now, what's important about this is you go on the right hand side here, you click that button, a little check mark, and you can do this for any of the orders. You can go to the drop down here and click send email. Now, why would I want to send this person an email? Well, maybe they liked my one product, and another product that is relevant to that product and goes hand in hand with it, they might be interested in, right? So now I could upsell them to another product, all right? And I can just make an email template for that, right? So this thing is an absolute brand builder software, right? Now, we go to the next video, or sorry, the next drop down or tab. You go to feedback right here, right? So why is it important to get feedback? And even FeedbackWhiz gives you notifications. Why is that important, all right? So if a customer leaves you a 1, 2, 3 star review, right? It's bad. You don't like to have that. Why is it good to get them a notification? Well, you can go out there and readily respond to them, send them an email by simply going to the drop down here, contact customer, input your template, done, sent email, and issue is resolved, all right? Now they can contact you back because I can go out there and say, hey, every review means so much to us. You guys mean the world to us. Every customer, is literally the world to us, and we like your business, and if you want a complete refund, or if you like a complete another product for free, let us know, and they'll talk to you. And now you're in contact with the customer. You're building a rapport with them, building a relationship with them. All really important stuff. Now let's move on to product reviews. All right. So I'm keeping this video a little short so you guys can actually go through it yourself, and just so the video doesn't drag out to be too long. All right, so now you can see every single one of my reviews. Now, most will be blurred out, But you can see here 5 stars, 2 stars, 3 stars, 5 stars, you know, all kind of stuff like that, right? I just named off some numbers. But if you go to the right hand side, you can see action, all right? Now under action, you can contact customer, you can link the order to the customer, and you can do all sorts of other stuff, right? You can contact Amazon support in case it's a fake review from a competitor you're assuming just because it just says trash product or something like that. And it just seems highly likely that they're a competitor because they also reviewed other products of the same sort, stuff like that. I've had it happen before. So you can go there, contact customer, and you can say, thank you for your 5-star review. Maybe you'd like to review another product I have, right? You know, you can do all sorts of things like that. Now let's move over to the campaign settings, right? Or the campaign thing. So we go over here and we go to email queue first thing. No software offers an email queue, all right? Email queue is where all the emails are actively showing which ones are active, what they're doing, what kind of jobs they're completing for you, where they're getting sent out to, why they're getting sent out to, what kind of jobs are they completing, stuff like that, right? So that's email queue. I have no emails currently running out, all right? Template manager. This is where you build out all your templates. You can see here, I have a purchased so-and-so product, right? That we blurred out, but you can see here, hey, bracket, customer name, underscore name, bracket, comma, thanks for your order, right? They do a bit of what you would call, I guess, maybe HTML formatting, or like more of a, I guess something else you would call it software formatting, but all kind of good stuff, right? My 1 to 2-star review subject line is called, hey, you know, bracket, customer, underscore name, bracket, comma, we're not happy that you're not happy, right? And my type of email template is called review repair, all right? I'm doing this because I want to send this out to every customer that leaves me a negative review. I want to let them know that I'm not happy, that they're not happy, right? I want to solve their issue. I want to solve an issue that I have on my account as well under my products, all right? So that's all really important. Now let's move on onto the next one, which is campaign manager, where the magic really happens, all right? So you can see here a template, or my campaign currently is inactive. The template name will be blurred out, but you can see product review request is this email type. All right, and you can see here it's targeting orders, right, with feedback, positive, all products, right? Now, why would I target people that left me positive feedback? Well, very simple. People that left me positive feedback may have done one of two things. They left me positive feedback because they liked my product and it came in on time, all right? That's generally why they leave positive feedback. Some customers, funny enough, leave positive feedback saying that the product was great, it worked out well, it came as it was supposed to come in. That's supposed to be under review of your actual product. So what I'll do is email people who left me a positive feedback and ask them maybe they want to leave a review on my product. Because how likely would somebody that left you a positive feedback leave you a positive review? You tell me in the comment section below, right? So all that kind of stuff, right? So I love you guys all. I want you guys always leaving comments down below, so I had to plug that one in there. But anyways, next thing it does is A/B testing, right? So you go to the right hand side here, go A to B split testing. Super powerful, right? You go enable, yes. All right, so we can do number of splits. We can do 1 to 5, right? Or 2 to 5. Why do I want to do this, right? I want to make sure that all the customers are open to my emails, right? If I'm, you know, putting out YouTube videos and I get 1 view because I didn't clickbait enough, I might want to clickbait a little bit more, right? Stuff like that. So here having the title, hey, customer name, thanks for your order, right? I can do another one. Hey, customer name, wow, you purchased my product, right? You can do all sorts of different things. Down below here, you can see current metrics, right? Current split metrics. How well is one email template working compared to the other, or different? How well is the title working better than the other? Stuff like that, right? There's so many different things that this software does than, you know, JumpSend and all these other email automation softwares out there. This one connects buy orders to customers, all sorts of cool stuff. So I really hope this software really kind of made an opening eye to you guys. It's super powerful. And now we're gonna move on to the actual bonus tip for you guys. All right, guys, so I hope that really helped you guys understand how important it is to have an email automation sequence to sending a customer to get reviews. This thing does a lot more stuff than that. I went on the phone with the actual owner of it. He explained so many different things to me and how powerful this thing is. But there's certain things that, yes, you can go into what you'd call like the black hat tricks. So it has other things you can do with it. Just make sure you use it in a clean fashion so you don't get banned from your Amazon accounts, obviously. But the last one that I want to share with you guys is what we call a review insert. Now, is this against TOS? Yes, all right? It can be, depending on how you do it, all right? So I don't want you guys to go in the comment section down below and be like, Nick, that's black hat, you can't see it on YouTube, that's dumb what you're saying. I don't want you guys to do that, even though I love all you guys. So I love all your guys' response, all your comments, but please don't go down there and say this to me. But what I'm showing you guys is Gerald's business card, for example. So what we want to do with a review request, right? What's really important is to put this inside your custom packaging, all right? So whatever it may be, whether you're selling a microphone, right? So you have a microphone, goes in a box. You put a little card like this, probably triple the size or double the size, and that has your brand name on it, some branding color, you know, your little thing saying, you know, thank you for your purchase, all that kind of good stuff. You guys mean everything to me, the world to me, right? As a customer, maybe a little fancy, little cool image. Oh, by the way, a little tip for you guys. Also in the FeedbackWhiz software, you can also put gifts in your email. So that's really cool as well. For me, I'm using a cool little gift where a baby's like all excited because I'm in the beauty niche, right? So like, you got a little cool stuff like that. But yeah, so if you see one of those emails, that's probably my product. But anyways, back to the topic at hand here. What you can do is, you know, put like, you know, let them know that they mean everything to you, so they, you know, they get that feel that they're a part of the community. You can tell them to reach, you can leave them, ask them to leave a review, which is not allowed, but you can ask them, maybe, you know, tell them that reviews mean the world to you, but not asking them to leave a review, all right? And then you can also tell them, you know, follow me on social media at blah, blah, blah website or blah, blah page, and then put your website on the bottom of the page so they follow you on your website as well. Or maybe they'll check out other products that you have as well, and you can do other orders. Yeah, so make sure you go check out the free mini course and link in the description as well. We hand out a lot of free content. If you don't know really how to sell on Amazon, we give a lot of basic information on the free mini course. It's enough for you to get the full understanding of what Amazon FBA really is about. And so make sure to check that out. That is pretty much the video for today, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I do enjoy when you guys leave a thumbs up on all of our videos. We're getting a lot of engagement lately, so super happy for you, for our channel. It's growing faster. I'm doing as much as I can to put out more content for you guys. The subscriber count has gone up, so if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to join the Empire family, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.